Hello students, welcome back in our computer class. I hope you have learned the work which I have given in my last class, and in my previous video we have discussed about the means of files and folders. Now in this video we will complete our remaining topic of this chapter. Okay, so first, each and every file has a name. It should have a name, and the name should be clarify you which type of contents a file can have. And file name has two parts. One is, you can say, the file name, the main file name which is it, and after dot extension file name should be there. That file name you can give according to your requirement. You can give your name, you can give ABC, you can give the name of your name as a file name. Okay, but the extension file name that are reserved for specific application. Clear? It means file name can be changed, file name can be set by the user, but extension file name cannot be changed by the user. You cannot set the extension file name. Extension file name like .doc, Word file for document. Clear? Why computer is using extension file name? By the help of extension file name, computer can recognize which type of file is this, in which application or software you have prepared it. Okay. Now come on the different extension of file names. You have to remember all the full forms of these extensions and the means of extension. First is .txt. .txt means whatever file you have saved in a text editor like Notepad, it will save with the extension .txt. It means .txt is used for text file. Next, .doc. .doc, it means it represents that the work or file is a document file. It means it is prepared in MS Word. You can edit it, you can rename it, you can resize it, you can reopen it in MS Word. That is the document file. Next extension is .xls. It's the extension for Excel workbook. Microsoft Excel is a application software which is designed by Microsoft company and used for mathematical calculation. Different types of calculation you can do. About MS Excel you will learn in the next classes. So XLS is its extension for workbook, means MS Excel. If you save any of the file in MS Excel, the extension of Excel file is .xls. And document file which you saved in MS Word, it will be of .doc. Text file means you have saved in Notepad, then it will saved with .txt. .pdf. The full form of PDF is Portable Document Format. Basically, this format is used to share our document. Okay. For example, we are sending you written work in PDF. So, it's a portable document format. Basically, the software which is for it, Acrobat software is commonly used to read or edit in the PDFs. So the full form of PDF is portable document format. And Acrobat or Adobe Reader. I am giving two examples of this type of formats you can read or edit in Acrobat or Adobe Reader. PDF format is used to share our document. So these type of extensions you have to learn. What you have to remember? You have to remember the file name and you have to remember which software is used by a specific extension file name. Next is .jpg or you can say .jpeg. Okay, the full form of JPG is Joint Photographic Experts Group, and this extension is used for the images. Whatever photos you have clicked by mobile and images by cameras, it will be saved or it is saved with the extension of .jpeg or .jpg. GIF means graphic interchange format. It is a bitmap image format which is non-photographic image. For non-photographic image you can use this type of extension, and short videos, animations, short cartoons comes in this type of extension which is having loop. What is the meaning of loop facility? Loop facility means after ending a particular clip, again the clip will start automatically. You can are moving from here. After stopping or after ending the video, the same video will run automatically. That is the file. Which type of that file is? That type of file is GIF files are there. Okay, next means portable network graphics. It is a bitmap image format, and it is used. This extension is generally used by Paint 3D. This type of software and graphic designers are using, especially in this type of extension files. .mp3. MP3 or MP4 is used for the music. For the music files or audio files, audio files are saved with the extension .mp3, MP4. .mpg. The full form of MPG is movable portable graphics. It means video clips or videos are saved with the extension of .mpg in your computer or its memory. Okay, so these are the different extensions which we are using with our file name. These extension file names tells the computer or us that which type of or which quality of your file is having. So this is extension file name. Now time to save the file. But whenever you save the file or your work, you have to press Ctrl+S button or save as. You have to go to File tab, click on Save or Save As button. The location will appear, a dialog box will appear on the screen, and you have to set the location where you want to save the file. Write the name of file. No need to write extension name of the file and click on Save button. You need not to write the extension name of file because extension name will be provided by computer itself. Okay, in this chapter only this much topics are there, so you have to read it carefully and learn the given work. Thank you.